All the way from St. Louis, Missouri. Got another GMC Denali, 1500 2024. This one's gonna be getting a 9-inch McGaughys lift, 26-inch Axe wheels, and 37-inch Furies. A pretty routine thing now. We're getting very, very good at these trucks. Should be in and out within 1 day. So they caught me lacking today. I was busy with other things and I didn't get a chance to really film this truck much. I mean, I got a couple of clips that you'll see in here, but really for the build and how far they drove, I kind of feel bad for not filming a longer video. And this truck actually looks amazing. So tell me what you think in the comments. It's a 2024 Denali, 26x14 Axe wheels with 37-inch Fury MTs. In and out in a day. They got here this morning at 8 on time when they were supposed to be here, and we got it out by 6. So check out the truck and let me know what you think. Absolutely beautiful. Chrome on chrome. McGaughys lift kit has the beautiful chrome accents with the kit, comes in the box with it. This truck drove from St. Louis, Missouri today, and it's going to drive back tonight. Typically you see us put forged wheels on, which have a really nice shine to them, but nothing really shines like true chrome, and that's what you have here. Paired with the Fury tires, it just goes together perfectly. 37 1450, no stretch on the tire. Sticks out a little bit past the truck, but nothing crazy. A little bit of a bumper modification on the front here. We replaced the rough edges with this silicone piece right here. And then in the back, the mud flap is removed, and there is a little spot that you can see, but it's not too bad. Not for the look that you get out of it. Another truck I'm going to throw into the video today. This is one we've done in the past, but it came in today to get some upgrades. This is a 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. He did the 9-inch FTS lift kit in chrome a few months back, and I really didn't have time to film it, so I don't think I ever put it into a video. I should have, because it's on 28x14 KG1. Oh no, I'm going blank. Anyway, 28x14 KG1s and 37 1450 28 Furies. It looks amazing. Today he came back to get the upgradable front strut tensioners from FTS and the rear traction bars, also in chrome. Absolutely beautiful, goes with the truck perfectly. There's the rears. Very clean on this truck. You can really see it from the side. Since the truck is so tall, you can really see the bars underneath it. Truck looks really good though.